ETL processor allows the user to create FTP files list, which can be very handy if you want to loop over the file on this FTP server. First thing we need to do, we need to select the connection, which I have already created. And then we need to select the folder. See if we have any files. Okay, we have one file. And we need to select the target file. Say, for example, save it into data. List.txt and run it. So we want to loop the if you want to loop over the list of the files, what we can do, we can use loop. It's called a file loop. Basically, it loops over the rows within the file. Why it is it is a rather strange option, because in theory we can loop over the files on the server, but you see the issue is that FTP server is constantly being updated. For example, someone can download the file, delete the file, or maybe the file is still being uploaded. So it is a better option to create the list of files on the FTP server and loop over it and perform certain actions, for example, deleting the files or renaming the files, etc. We do have another example called save FTP delete. No, actually it's called secure FTP delete. Please watch this video to get a better understanding. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as usual, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask them there, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.